bengiphuma Davidton ngiya Springs langihlala khona. So la sihlala khona it's an open space akusilokishi.
Ina ngathi amakhaya brother. Amaplots.
So ke mangifika ngibeka imoto ebusuku it was 8:20.
Yeah.
Ngifika ngibeka imoto la. So iroom yami nayila imoto ibheke iroom. So ngiyaphuma ngasemotweni ngivula umnyango. Ngiphuma emotweni then ngithi 1 2 3 ngivula umnyango wami. Mangiceda ngibuyela futhi emotweni ngilanda ibag. Ibag enkule be ingasebheke. Ngicela ukuphuma ngithi 1 2 3 ngivula umnyango. Then ke 1 2 3 ngibuyele emotweni.
Yeah.
Mangibuyele emotweni kwaphuma amakati ayi2.
Hayibo.
I'm telling you.
Aphuma kuphi brother?
Ngasemotweni. Ngiphuma eDavidton lamakati ahamba nami ngapha ngasemotweni.
Heaven.
You see that? They were invisible. Mangulungu driver akabonakala lamakati. Mangifika la ngiyakhona ngiphuma ngivula umnyango wami ngithi ngilanda ibheke phuma amakati ayi2. 2 cats.
Heaven.
17 July. Angithi bengila 18 July Friday. Ngolwesini kwaphuma ikati yathi ngathi Jesus. Angithi ngimangele. Mangithi kwaphuma enye futhi ngathi
Heaven.
And akuna makati lapho. Then ke ngathi the blood of Jesus, the blood of Jesus, the blood of Jesus. Angisangeni manje ngasemotweni. Inhliziyo yami ibe hlungu ukuthi amakati ayi2.
Amakati aphuma phi?
Ngasemotweni kanjani? That was 17 July. And then 18 July it is Friday, the following day. Ngeza la.
Yeah.
Mangisuka la ngibuyela endlini. Okay. Ngabo 7 ke singihlizi ngasendlini. Kunento ekhalayo ngaphandle. And mangithi ngiyalalela ngoba lapho kusesigangeni kuthulile lapha.
Kuthekile, yeah.
Kunento ekhala and ikhala kahle but ikhala la phambi kwendlu. Ngavula umnyango ikhala ngaphansi kumoto kule moto le. So nami ngiyasaba ukuya emotweni. Ngiyafonela omunye umzalwane, omunye ubrother sihlala naye. Ngithi hey sheshisa uze la. Maka vela uphume ngespeed ngasendlini ngabo past 7. Maka vela into le ayisakhaya ngaphuma ke ngasendlini ngamnikeza itoshi ngathi thatha le toshi ukhanyise phansi ngiyo reverse le moto sibheke ukuthi yini ekhala. Mangi reverse imoto akuna next. Ngayimukisa futhi phambili. Ngathi kuye no man kunento ekhala enikhala kabi. Ngathi hayi ithi ngivule ibhuti le
ibonnet.
Bonnet. Mangivula ibonnet kunegundwane elingana neayini, iayini. Ngabo? Igundwane elikhulu. Lilingana neayini. And igundwane le alinamehlo. Angithi sikhanyisa itoshi. Lilingana neayini.
Awushutha phela.
Sithi ngithukile. Ngithukile and mangilibona alikhona ukubaleka. Ligibelile ngaphambili emotweni engineini lihlezi lapha ya. Hey ngithi ngibuza le ndoda ngithi hey into engaka ayina angibona amehlo. Ikhanda lilingana neeye onion ikhanda likhulu yona inkulu ayikhona ukubaleka manje
hayibo
ngasusa inyawo zami la phansi nami ngagibela phezulu kwemoto angithi isivulile ngabeka inyawo zami angifuni ukuthi inyawo zami zibe phansi ngiyasaba nami ngagijima ngalanda iharafu wathi ha ungayenzi ngeharafu mayehle iye phansi siyebulela phansi ayinamehlo isidula igundwane lelo big red like ayini ilingana neayini nakhona iayini enkulu so mina ngicela ukuyibona and akusigundwane baleke
fast.
Yesterday it was 2
cats,
today gundwane lingaka.
Yeah.
Ilama gundwane lawa agubha phansi ubone kuvela umhlabathu ngaphezulu iyona ihamba ngaphansi yabo ihamba ngaphansi ngithi
imvukuzane ya mall ne
so inkulu ingaka into leyo ayibaleki angibona amehlo kuyo bona ikhanda likhulu so ngicela ukuyibona emhlabeni and ngiyibona emotweni you see then inhliziyo yami yababhlungu ngabona ukuthi la kune attack that was 18
July yeah.
28 July omunye umzalwane uyangifonela use Alexander athi brother Enigma besifuna inamba yakho siyitholile kuquiz 28 July wathi kimi brother umntwana wami uNkulunkulu ukhulume naye so ngimnikeza ifoni akhulume nawe peace be still amanzi not holy water ne yes. amanzi water is life so lo mama athi brother umntwana wami uNkulunkulu ukhulume naye une message yakho so lalela une message yami ngalalela umntwana lo uyangibulisa baba Enigma ngithi yebo khuluma nami igama lakhe angisalikhumbula ngimbuze into eyi-1 how old are you athi I am 10 years intombazana ngathi okay what is the message labantu laba bakuphi
Alex
mina ngile bona bale Alexander nentombazana ithi baba Enigma uJesu bekakhona la akhuluma nami ebusuku Saturday so mina bakhulume nami Monday bathi bathole inamba kube Sunday so ngithi okay utheni uNkulunkulu athi uNkulunkulu athi ngikutshele ukuthi la makati lawa aphume ngasemotweni akusiya amakati ngabantu do you hear that ngiyangizobazana
brother lo muntu lo akazi ukuthi kuphuma amakati akomtshe kwasitshele umuntu kuphuma amakati
lalela angakhulumi ngale ndaba leyo nakule WhatsApp group le ngikhuluma khona angikakhulumi ngikhulume after ukuthi lo mntwana athi uNkulunkulu uthi akusiya amakati yabantu 28 July mangithola i-message from the Lord and then lo mntwana athi uJesu athi usukutshela ukuthi la makati la owabona yaphume ngasemotweni akusiya amakati ngabantu mina ngiphuma eDavidton kodwa bahlezi ngapha ngasemuva labantu laba baphenduke umoya ngibabona mangivula umnyango ngiphuma ngithi bulala baphuma bona baphuma sekuyigadi ukuthi ngingaboni ukuthi abo ba that was 28 July and then ngalesikhathi ngila 18 July it was Friday angithi Saturday ngabo 5 ngafonela omunye usister sihlala naye le Springs ngathi hey man uyazi gumi namakati aphume la ngolwesine emotweni yami athi hayi bo branga semotweni ngathi athi yo sizothandaza so ke it was 5:30 mangikhuluma nabo ebusuku le mase bathandazile uthi wangifonela athi brother siyathandaza la nomntwana wami ona 7 years athi mase thandaza nalo mntwana wami ona 7 years umntwana lo wami ubhizi ngamehlo uthi ukuyenza amehlo akhe mabathanda kanti kunento ayibonayo lo mntwana ngithi ubonani athi lo mntwana lo athi lamakati lawo aphuma kulomuntu lo mama lo bekakuthusa ngenyoka nobody's fault but yours hey bathu bakithi ubani bekangithusa ngenyoka bayazi abazalwane ekhaya
bani
angibuzi wena Chris angibuzi kanda abantu ekhaya bayazi ukuthi ubani aze kimi ngenyoka athi bheka Enigma
Ladies and gentlemen, sanibonani molweni igama lami ngingukhumbu. Bafowethu, there's a story here that Brother Enigma just narrated for the benefit of those who don't understand Zulu. Brother Enigma is narrating a story that happened sometime this month, yes. He says he was driving from wherever he was driving from. He went home. Then when he got home, he exited his car to open the door. When he came back, apparently 2 cats jumped out from the car. So he was driving from Joburg to where he stays. And then when he got home, when he opened the door of the car, 2 cats jumped out from the car. All right. Then the following day, he says he found a mole. Yeah, you know that rat-like thing that stays underground. Yeah, he found that one on the engine of his car. So those are two incidents that happened one after another. Like the first were two cats, two big cats, and then the second day there was a mole. Then Brother Enigma said he conducted some other prayer warriors, some other ladies that he prays with, the ladies that he prays with. And then there was a child, a 7-year-old child, who was shown in a vision, that those cats were actual human beings. They were not cats. They just changed to be cats when he opened the door. But initially, they were human beings. I don't know. I know it's difficult to get it, but that's how he puts it. He says, those cats were not cats. They were human beings until he opened the door. For them to exit, they had to change to be cats so that he won't recognize them. All right. Then another child again saw in a vision that those cats and that mole, they were actually sent by Gogo Maweni. He says those cats and that mole, they were sent by somebody who scared him with a snake. And we all know who did that. It's Gogo Maweni. So Gogo Maweni sent his tikoloshi to monitor Brother Enigma. Gogo Maweni. Yeah. Gogo Maweni, you need to explain to the country. What are you doing to Brother Enigma? All right, Gogo Maweni. So that is the story, Bazalwane. That is the story from Brother Enigma. Anyway, Bazalwane, please, if you haven't subscribed, please subscribe to the channel, like, comment, and share. Anyway, nginithanda nonke emakhaya. God speed.